Hello, have you watched the hiragana video from last time? If you have, skip the basic rule and start from 1b. The basic rule for hiragana and katakana are the same. The only difference is the way they are written. The sounds are the same. Katakana is used for long words and onomatopoeia. The onomatopoeia meaning sounds words.
Japanese has 5 vowels: a, I, u, e, o. These vowels can be used on their own. Look at the second row. There are consonants like K and S. If you combine consonant and vowels,
you can create other katakana characters.
Let's see K plus A. Make it Ka. It's ka. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Look at the last row. There is one exception to the rule.
The katakana character does not take vowels.
Japanese language uses mora timed rhythm. In simple terms, you can think of mora as a beat. Each katakana character is pronounced in one beat. Let's take a look at this katakana. How is it pronounced? The katakana so is romanized as a combination of a consonant S and vowel O. However, its pronunciation is so. It's really different from English sound so. When you pronounce the katakana, please carefully. Okay, let's take a look at this picture. So this is Seoul, Korea. It's how many katakana? This is 3 katakana. So this is 3 beat. Seoul, Seoul. So let's see another one. How many katakana? So this is 4 katakana. Mexico, Mexico. So don't forget about the Japanese rhythm. 1 katakana is 1 beat. Katakana use a long vowel mark. It is used when expressing a prolonged sound. When using the long vowel, the vowel of the previous sound is elongated and pronounced. For example, if it is coffee, in Japanese it's kohi. Like ko is ko and O sound is said by stretching the vowel sound. Kohi. How about this one? It's soda, soda. How about this one? It's cake, but we said keiki, keiki. When contains small tsu, add a short pause equal to 1 beat.
In the case of hatto, after pronouncing the ha, there is a short pause equivalent to 1 beat, while keeping the mouth shape of the next sound to, and then to is pronounced. Hatto, hatto. If you forget the pause small tsu, it means pigeon. So be careful how you pronounce it. Hatto, hatto. Let's practice all katakana and pronounce them 3 times each. When you see this mark, please speak out.
A, I, u, e, o, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, し、し、す、す、せ、せ、そ、そ、た、た、ち、ち、つ、つ、て、て、と、と、な、な、に、に、ぬ、ぬ、ね、ね、の、の、は、は、ひ、ひ、ふ、ふ、へ、へ、ほ、ほ、ま、ま、み、み、む、む、め、め、も、も、や、や、ゆ、ゆ、よ、よ、ら、ら、り、り、る、る、れ、れ、ろ、ろ、わ、わ、お、お、ん、ん。
Some lines contain voiced or semi-voiced sounds. For ease of understanding, I will refer to it as a combination with dot and circle.
が、が、ぎ、ぎ、ぐ、ぐ、げ、げ、ご、ご、ざ、ざ、じ、じ、ず、ず、ぜ、ぜ、ぞ、ぞ、だ、だ、じ、じ、ず、ず、で、で、ど、ど、 ば、ば、び、び、ぶ、ぶ、べ、べ、ぼ、ぼ、ぱ、ぱ、ぴ、ぴ、ぷ、ぷ、ぺ、ぺ、ぽ、ぽ。
Contrast sound refer to sound expressed by combining small katakana characters ya, yu, yo with regular katakana characters. So this ka and ki is same length of time. It's not ki ya. It's ka and ki.
きゃ、きゃ、きゅ、きゅ、きょ、きょ、さ、さ、しゅ、しゅ、そ、そ、た、た、ちゅ、ちゅ、ちょ、ちょ、にゃ、にゃ、にゅ、にゅ、にょ、にょ、ひゃ、ひゃ、ひゅ、ひゅ、ひょ、ひょ、みゃ、みゃ、みゅ、みゅ、みょ、みょ、りゃ、りゃ、りゅ、りゅ、りょ、りょ、ぎゃ、ぎゃ、ぎゅ、ぎゅ、ぎょ、ぎょ、ざ、ざ、じゅ、じゅ、ぞ、ぞ、びゃ、びゃ、びゅ、びゅ、びょ、びょ、ぴゃ、ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴゅ、ぴょ、ぴょ。
So let's practice with words. So you remember about Japanese rhythm and combination with small yayuyo and dot and circle and small tsu. I hope you can read everything and please try it. アメリカ、
ドイツ
シンガポールニュージーランドボクシングラグビーモップスリッパネックレスPlease feel free to download Katakana PDF. See you in the next video. バイバイ、またね。